Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the PS5 and Fortnite are updated, then pair both controllers. Do this now so you avoid delays. Once paired, sign the primary account in and have the second player select guest or their PSN. Launch Fortnite and enter the lobby. Make sure the second controller is on the title screen. When prompted, press X on the second pad to register the player. This begins the split screen process and hands you control of the configuration. Once the second controller presses X and appears in the lobby, you continue by confirming both players show as ready. Now adjust in-game settings. Open the settings menu and set HUD scale, split orientation if available, and individual controller sensitivity so each player feels comfortable. Make sure voice chat and party settings match your preference, disable or enable chat per player. Also double-check aim assist and button remaps. Doing this now, you launch matchmaking and watch performance closely. If you see frame drops, switch to wired Ethernet and lower render quality. If the second screen doesn't appear, sign the guest out, disconnect and repair the controller, then have the second player press X to rejoin the lobby. Once done, restart Fortnite or the PS5 if problems persist. Make sure the primary account meets any PlayStation or game subscription requirements. This single restart step resolves most lingering split-screen issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.